Ma'am.
Listen, children, now it is audible. Listen, children. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You thank. I'm going to start the class now. Yes. Lesson number 2. Chidiya Machili. Chidiya means B or D. Bird. Chidiya means what? Bird. Chidiya means what, child? Bird. And our means and. A and D. And Machli. Machli means what? Machli means what,
Fish,
child?
ma'am. Fish,
Yes,
ma'am.
very good. Yes, thank you, child. Yes, very good. So, chidiya or machli. So, today we are going to see about bird and fish. So, see the title. So, I will ask the question, child. Listen this carefully. Chidiya means bird, aur means and machli means fish. Chidiya or machli. What is the title, child? Chidiya or machli. Bird and fish. So, in this topic, you must see the E ki matra. So today's topic name is E ki matra. So matra already I said sign. So E its sign. E and its sign. See here, this is the sign of E. What is this? This is the sign of E. It will come left side. So this is the right. Yeah. Only we use left. What? But it is in left side. Number means left side. See here. Whenever you see the sign in left side, what you have to add? You have to add E. See here.
Ma'am, what?
This is star.
Ma'am, not audible.
Now it is audible or not? So now can you hear me, child?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, child. Yes, thank you. Listen, child. See the pronunciation of this first one. This is ka. As we know, this is ta and this is ba. So here we are having two signs. One is ki. See, one more time I'm writing. So this is ka, this is ta and ba. We are adding two signs, e sign and a sign. So whenever we add the sign, the pronunciation will be added here. So this is ka. Now we added the e plus e ki. And this is ta. We are adding the a sign. ta. And this is ba. We have to read last one as dotted letter. So ba means ib. So ki ta ib. Kitab. See the pronunciation, child. So whenever you are using the letters, you have to concentrate on the sound level. So this is lower sound, this is higher sound, this is also lower sound. Ki and ta after ib. Kitab. So what is child kitab? Kitab means book. So one more time, kitab means what, child? Book. Kitab means what? Kitab, book. See the next
சும்மா கத்திட்டு இருக்கா மேம். சும்மா உனக்கு எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் கத்த.
ha. We are adding e sign. So ha ich plus e. What is
வாய்ஸ் கேட்கல மேம். மேம் உங்க வாய்ஸ் கேட்கல மேம். மேம் உங்க வாய்ஸ் கிளியரா கேட்கல மேம்.
so now listen. So now can you hear me, child?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Yes. So first one. So say what is this one? First one. We already say this one, right? What is the first one, child?
Kitab ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. Let me clap for the
Kitab ma'am.
first boy who is saying. So clap for that boy. So kitab means what, child?
Ma'am, Yogadashmi ma'am.
Oh, one of you clap for Yogadashmi. So she is saying correct and she is saying first. Kitab means book. See the next one. This is ha, ra. This is na. We are adding e sign, which is in left side. If you add e sign, what will happen? Ha means he. He, ra, in. He ran. So 3 is lower sound only. He, ra, in. He ran. He ran means what? Deer. He ran means what, child? Deer. So one more time. He ran. He ran means what, child? See the picture itself they are given. He ran means what? Deer.
Dear ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, child. Thank you. Very good. So see the next one, child. This is sa. This is ta and this is ra. So here we are adding two signs. One is e sign. Another one is a sign. So see the pronunciation. This is sa. And we are adding e sign. Is plus e. C. And this is ta. We are adding a sign. It plus a. Ta. And this is ra. Last one. Ra means ir. Si. Ta. Ir. Sitar. Sitar means what? See here. Tambourine. Not tambourine. I think. So wait one more minute, child.
Guitar ma'am.
Not guitar, child. Wait.
Violin ma'am.
Yeah, that is violin. So who is saying this? Violin.
Yogalakshmi ma'am.
Very good, Yoga Darshini, but I want answer from others also. What is this one, child? See the picture itself, what they are giving. Violin. What is this one, child? Yes, violin in Hindi what?
Sitar ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
There is any
I'm
problem?
Latika parent, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it's a musical instrument name. It is as English as sitarda, ma'am. It's not a violin. Violin has a stick to play.
Okay, ma'am. Oh, I'm going
In
to check, ma'am, but
English also
look
it's a
like
sitar.
violin only.
In English,
Okay.
it's named as a sitar, sitar, sitar.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for the information, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. So in Hindi also sitar, in English also sitar, but it is look like a violin. For example, you can say this is violin, but this is sitar. Hindi also sitar, English also sitar. This is one type of a musical instrument. Okay, child. Sitar means sitar only. Sitar is a musical instrument. Okay, see the pronunciation here. This is sa and ta and ra. So we are adding two signs. One is e sign, another one is a sign. So what is the pronunciation? Si-ta-ir. Sitar. Sitar means again sitar only. So see the next one. So how it is look like, child? This is look like an aeroplane, right? So aeroplane in Hindi, this is ba and ma. Yes, and this is na. So we are adding two signs. One is e, another one is a. So va, if plus e, v, and this is ma, and we are adding a sign, im plus a, ma, and
Madam, your screen is not visible, Arshita parent. What you are writing, we are not able to see.
okay, okay, sir, I will.
Ma'am, you agla.
Thank you.
View agla, ma'am. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ
So now it is visible, right? Yes, thank you, sir. Yes, thank you for the information, child. See here. So this is look like an aeroplane, right? So aeroplane in Hindi what? See here, this is va. So we are adding two signs. One is e and one is a. So see here, v, and this is ma and in. Viman. Viman means aeroplane. So one more time, child. We know v, ma, in. Viman. Viman means what? Aeroplane. So one more time, I'm showing this pronunciation. So va, this is na. Now we are at that and a sign. This is white plus e, v, im plus a, ma, and this is the last one. Now we have to read this one as in. So v, ma, in. Viman. Viman means aeroplane. So Viman means what? Aeroplane. So everyone likes sweets, right? So how you call sweets in Hindi? See here. See the pronunciation, child. This is ma, and ta, e. So we are adding e and a sign here. So see the pronunciation ma, e sign, im plus e, me, and this is da. So we are adding a sign, me, ta, e, mitai. So this is lower sound, this is higher sound, this is also higher sound because this is e. So e also higher sound, ta also higher sound. So we have to read this one as mi, ta, e, mitai. So mitai means what? Sweet. So how you call the sweets in Hindi? Commonly we call the sweets as mitai. Mitai means sweet. So see the pronunciation, child. Mi, ta, and e. Mitai. Mitai, sweet. See the next. So everyone. So kismis is one type dry fruit. See here, this is kismis. So Hindi also kismis. In English also kismis. One type of a dry fruit. See the pronunciation, child. So already I said, if you have 4-letter word, you have to split it as 2, right? See here, this is 4 letters, so we are splitting here. So see the first one, we are adding e sign, ik plus e, ki, and this is ish, kish. So sha, we have to read last one as is, right? So ki is kish, and see the next one. Next one also, ma, we are adding the e sign, and again sha, we have to read is. So me is miss, kiss, miss. Kismis what? Kismis is a one type of dry fruit. So one more time, child. Kismis. Kismis is what? Dry fruit. That is Hindi also kismis, English also kismis. See the next one, child. So next one also we have a 4-letter word. So first we are writing and splitting the two letters. See the pronunciation. First we are adding e sign. So ga, ig plus e, gi, ir, gir. So ra we have to read ir. So next one also ga, ga we are adding e sign. So gi, and this is ta. Girgat. Girgat means what? Lizard. So girgat what child? Girgat, lizard. So in our home we saw the wall, the lizard is moving, right? So the lizard name in Hindi what? Girgat. See the pronunciation, child. This is ga and this is also ga. We are adding ra here and ta here. So both we are having e sign. So gi ir gir, gi it git, girgit, girgit, lizard. See the pronunciation one more time. This is lowest sound. This is also lowest sound. Gi, ir, gir, ga, it, gut, gir, gut, girg, sorry, gir. So gi, girgit, lizard. So is there any doubt in this one, child?
No,
So if you have any doubt, you can ask child.
no,
What, child? No doubts. So is there any doubt? Please unmute and say yes.
Ma'am, one more explain, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, child. Amrita will explain, okay? So for yes, for others, is there any doubt, child?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Who is saying? Yes, if you have a doubt, please ask, child. Which one is the doubt?
Ma'am, please one more. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, child, I am going to revise one more time. Before itself, I am asking, is there any doubt in E ki matra? E and its sign. Is there any doubt in the sign? How you have to read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, if you have a doubt, just listen. Whenever you have the sign like this, so like this, left side, E sign. So you have to add the pronunciation as E. So if you have a letter Ma, you add the sign Im plus E, Mi. So if you have a letter Va, if you just add the sign Iv plus E, V. So as we know all the consonants, so we are taking different consonants. If you have Ba, so you're just adding the E sign, Ib plus E, B. So like that we can take any sign, consonants. So Ra means, so we are adding E sign, Ir plus E, Ri. So like that, whatever consonants you can take. So Na means, we are adding the sign here. So Na, In plus E, Ni. So this is the main concept of E ki matra. So whenever you add the sign in the letter, you have to add the pronunciation also. So this is the few example. So in Kitab, Kiran, Sitman, Midai, Kismis and Girgit. So this all the example for E sign. How they are using the E sign in the letters. See, this is the only one sign they are using. Here they are using two signs. The two signs also E sign. So how they are using the sign? See the first one. This is Ka, E sign. So Ik plus E, Ki, and Ta and Ib. So see the pronunciation. This is lower sound, this is higher sound. Because this is A sign, right? See here. Ka, Ik plus E, Ki, Ta, Ib. Kitab. Kitab means what? Book. See here. Kitab means what, child? Book. As like that. See the next one. Ha, Ra, and Na. So we are adding E sign here. Ha, we have to read this one as He because we are adding the E ki matra. So now we are adding the E sign, right? So after we putting the sign, we have to add the E sound also. Ha, Ich plus E, He. And He, Ra, In. Hiran. Hiran means deer. So one more time, child. Hiran means what? Deer. See the next one, child. This is Sha, Ta. This is A sign. And this is Ra. So when we are adding E ki matra, E sign, so what will happen? This Sa will become as Si. Because whenever we use the E ki matra, we have to add the E sound. So, Is plus E, Si. And Ta and Ir. Si, Ta, Ir. Sitar. Sitar means sitar only. So, this is the one type of musical instrument. One more time I am telling, child. Sitar. Sitar in Hindi also sitar. English also sitar. So, sitar means what, child? Sitar. This is the one type of musical. See the next one, child. This is Viman. Viman means what? Aeroplane. See the pronunciation, child. This is Va, Ma, and In. See here. This is Va. We are adding the E ki matra. So after you add the E ki matra, what will happen? It will add the sound also. So va we have to add e sound iv plus ev. So v ma in viman. Viman means aeroplane. So viman means what, child? Aeroplane. See the next one, child. So mitai. Mitai means sweet. So how you read the pronunciation? This is ma and ta and e. So now we are adding the e sign here. So after we are adding the e ki matra, what will happen? Ma will become me. How? Im plus e, me. So mi ta e, mitai. Mitai means what? Sweet. So one more time, child. Mitai. Mitai means what? Sweet. See the next one, child. So this is the one type of dry fruits. See the pronunciation. So already I said, if we have the 4-letter word, we have to split the word. So already I split the word. So this is sha. This is also sha. So just because we are splitting last one, so this is ish. This is also ish. So ka. After we are adding e sign, ik plus e, ki. And ma also im plus e, me. Because of we are adding the e ki matra, is sign. So ik plus e ki is kiss, im plus e me is miss, kiss miss. Kishmish is the fruit, dry fruit. So kishmish in Hindi also kishmish and English also kishmish. At last, girgit. See the pronunciation, child. So this is also ga, this is also ga. So this is ra and this is ta. So last one, so this is ir and that one is it. So see the pronunciation when we are adding the e sign. So what will happen? Ga became gi. So because ig plus e, gi. So both they having same procedure, ig plus e, gi. So gi, ir, gir, gi, it, git. Girgit is the one lizard. Girgit what? So in our home we saw the lizard in a behind the bulb, or it is roaming on the wall, right? So girgit what? Girgit means lizard. So one more time, child. Girgit means what? Lizard. So I'm revising one more time. Say along with me, child. Kitab, book. Hiran, deer. Sitar, sitar. One, aeroplane. Mitai, kismis, kismis. Girgit, lizard. So is there any doubt in e ki matra? So if you have a doubt, you can ask child. Please unmute and say, yes ma'am, I have doubts.
No. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, check. Don't leave the class. I'm going to take the attendance. Already 3 members left. So don't leave, child. I'm going to take the attendance. So listen, child, the homework will be sent through WhatsApp. So everyone is listening, right? Is there any doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
If I ask question, you will answer, right? Everyone is ready for the question?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Right. Ravi Pranesh.
Yes, ma'am. I'm good to question, ma'am.
Yes. Why is there any doubt?
Yes,
Child? If you have a doubt, say yes. So next class I will ask the question, child, because now itself I ask, you will say the answer correctly. But I will give time. Next class I will definitely ask the question from this topic. So say Dhanyavaji and you can leave.
Dhanyavaji. Dhanyavaji, ma'am. Dhanyavaji, ma'am.